Hi everyone! There are many varieties of fried rice. What's your favorite fried rice? Please leave a comment below and let me know. Today we're going to make egg fried rice with soy sauce. Let's get started. To make a great fried rice, we need the leftover rice from night before, 2 nights before, preferably non-grain rice. So we just need to crumble it. We need 3 eggs. I always season with a little bit of salt, white pepper powder, or black pepper. Beat it. We need the 3 green onions. Chop them finely. We need 1 carrot to be diced, cut in half. We also need 1/4 of an onion. Now we're ready to cook. We're heating up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. First, we're going to make scrumped eggs. Set the egg aside. Add a little bit more oil. We're going to stir fry onions and carrots. Add a little bit of salt to help to soften. It will take about a minute. After about a minute, add rice. Mix it. After about a minute, we add eggs back. Mix it. Now we're ready to add soy sauce, light soy sauce along the wall of the pan so they distribute evenly, and dark soy sauce for some color. Mix and stir. Cook about another minute. Keep stirring, stirring. And now it's time to add our green onions to finish up. Mix it. Wow, looking good. Optional, you can add some chicken bouillon. And our fried rice is ready. Smells so great.
Wow, I can't wait.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. That's beautiful.
Love the sweetness and the crunchiness of onions and carrots.
Carrots.
Right? Again, the tips for making great fried rice. You need the leftover rice, cold rice, preferably long grain rice because they're less starchy.
Wow, I'm gonna need more.
Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs
Thumbs
up,
up,
share, and
subscribe.
subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Wow.